If your YouTube videos are barely getting views, you might think your content is bad. But here's the truth most beginners don't know. YouTube is not ignoring you, it's testing you. And if you don't understand what YouTube is looking for, your videos will never get recommended, no matter how hard you try. In this video, I'll explain exactly why YouTube isn't recommending your videos, what's really happening behind the scenes, and what beginners should focus on instead. Especially if you're running a faceless channel. This is not motivation. This is not guesswork. This is how YouTube actually works. Once you understand this, you'll stop panicking over low views, stop blaming yourself, and start feeding YouTube the right signals. Let's break it down. When you upload a video as a beginner, YouTube does not push it to thousands of people. Instead, it shows your video to a very small test audience, sometimes just a few dozen people. YouTube is asking one question: do people care enough to watch this? If viewers click and stay, YouTube slowly shows it to more people. If they don't, YouTube stops testing it. Low views do not mean your channel is dead. They mean the test failed. Most beginners think YouTube rewards effort, consistency, hard work, but YouTube doesn't reward effort. It rewards viewer behavior. You can upload every day and still not get recommended, because YouTube only cares about: do people click? Do they stay? Do they engage? That's it. If your video has impressions but low views, here's what happened. YouTube showed your video to people, but they didn't click. This means your title and thumbnail didn't create curiosity. And if people click but leave early, YouTube sees the video as risky, so it stops recommending it. This is not personal, it's data. Shorts work differently. YouTube pushes shorts faster, but it kills them faster too. If people don't watch most of your short, YouTube stops the push immediately. That's why one short gets thousands of views and the next gets zero. It's normal. Shorts are testing tools. Long videos build trust. Beginners need both, but must understand the difference. YouTube needs clarity, not perfection. Clarity means: who is this video for? What problem does it solve? Why should someone care now? When your channel is clear, YouTube knows who to test your videos with. When it's confusing, YouTube guesses. And guessing kills growth. Small channels don't need viral videos, they need clear ones. Stop worrying about views in the first 24 hours, other creators blowing up, your subscriber count. Instead, focus on better hooks, clear titles, one audience, one message. Growth comes from signals, not stress. So if YouTube isn't recommending your videos, it doesn't mean you failed. It means YouTube needs clearer signals. Fix your packaging, fix your hooks, stay focused on one audience, and give YouTube time to test you. If you're serious about growing a faceless YouTube channel as a beginner, subscribe. This channel exists to help beginners grow smarter, not louder. Watch the next video on your screen. It shows exactly what beginners should fix first. This is Hidden Hustle. We grow with clarity.